Apalak, namaste. How are you?
Absolutely. Namaste, Amit. Very, very nationalist favor to our Namaste. How are you?
I'm doing good, Apalak, because the story is related to that. Apalak, Prime Minister Modi is on an official visit to the US. And as a part of this visit, Elon Musk met Prime Minister Modi, which is already being touted as a fairly successful meeting. Will this meeting open up investments for Musk in India?
Good news for Elon Musk and Tesla fans. I'm neither a fan and neither can I afford one, but then the story is important because EVs are a very, very important development as far as India's commercial architecture goes, right? So I think it is important development for sure. And in fact, you can see this is continuum because very recently Elon Musk was in France also, and he met the French Prime Minister, and he's right now on he's on a shopping spree. He's trying to understand where to. Actually, this is where global powerful giants and Elon Musk come into play.
Right.
You have a very successful entrepreneur running a very successful organization, and there are countries who are trying to compete against each other to get his attention. So, like you said, yes. Elon Musk came out after post the meeting. Apparently, he came out and said that he's a huge fan of PM Modi. So I think it's all the bells in the right place. But before we become excited about this, everything with Mr. Musk should not be taken as straight as it seems, because we've also seen a lot of back and forth as per Tesla's plans to enter the Indian market. Because back in 2022, which is just last year, Tesla had almost shared the plans to come to India because, they said that India was not willing to, lower the import tariffs. But they're planning to use, import electric vehicles from US and China and sell it to the Indian market, which would have made it unviable because of the high import tariff. The pricing would have been very, very exorbitant, right? So there are multiple stories at play here. So I've told you how Mr. Musk is going around. There are a lot of countries that he's speaking to. France being one, Indonesia, Mongolia, Mexico. I think he's already planning to invest about close to $5 billion in Mexico, right? So a lot of people, a lot of investors are trying to woo, the respective countries. But I think credit has to go to the Indian government also. In parts because when they said that we want to make it successful, the entire concept, make it India as a success, saying it and working on it are two different things altogether, right? There we see a significant change in our posture as far as regulations go, right? India is trying to create a more conducive environment for local manufacturing. A case in point, I'll probably draw an analogy for this, Amit. See how Apple is speaking to India now.
Right.
Apple never saw India as a big market or a manufacturing base. Now with China's entire equation with US in a flux, all of this is pure commerce, right? It's all driven by economics and commerce. So we see a lot of commonality between the Apple story and the Tesla story. There are much more open FDI norms, domestic sourcing rules have been eased to facilitate business transactions. So and also, if you remember, a couple of months back, we ran a story of how much lithium was found in Kashmir. If you remember, we ran the story.
Absolutely, we covered that. Yes.
So I think that all of this is following because Tesla is strategically, hampering countries which have potential investments in resources like copper, nickel, lithium, which are very, very important for EV manufacturing. So I think all in all, I think it's 1-0 in favor of India as far as Tesla goes. More to, and I think it's a story that we will hear more from, and once we do, we'll definitely share with our friends.
Absolutely, Apalak. So of course, India is pushing really hard its Make in India policy and positioning itself as a manufacturing hub. So we've been seeing that, and hopefully Tesla also becomes another feather in the cap as well. But for now, Apalak, thank you so much. Great insights as always, and I look forward to connecting with you again. Bye-bye.
Pleasure, Amit. Bye.